Hello everyone, I am Ketan Patil from SYIML. Today my topic is linearly dependent and independence of vector. To find the vectors are independent or dependent, first of all we should take set of vector v1, v2, v3 up to vn is equal to 0. If the set of vectors are If the set of vectors are equal to 0, then the vectors are linearly independent. Similarly, when the vectors are equal to 0, but one scalar of the linear combination is equal to non-zero. So we take the equation v1 is equal to 1 1 minus 1, v2 equal to 2 3 minus 5, and v3 is equal to 2 minus 1 and 4. First of all, we consider this equation. Let v1 equal to 1 1 minus 1, v2 is equal to 2 3 minus 5, and v3 is equal to 2 minus 1 4. We consider these vectors, so as well we consider scalars also. K1, K2, K3 be your scalars. Now we can consider linear combination. The linear combination of vectors is k1 into v1 plus k2 into v2 plus k3 into v3 is equal to 0. Now we should put the value of v1 and v1 v2 v3 in the equation. We get k1 into 1 1 minus 1 plus k2 into 3 2 3 minus 5 plus k3 into 2 minus 1 4 is equal to 0. Now we have to write the equations of the element. k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. k1 plus 3k3 minus k3 is equal to 0. Now minus k1 minus 5k2 plus 4k3 is equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now we have to consider a matrix form of the equation. One, two, two, 1, 3 minus 1, minus 1 minus 5 and 4. Now we consider an augmented matrix. we have to find the rank of this matrix. To find the rank of matrix, we should now we have to find the rank of matrix by using row operation. For R2 minus R1, and for R3 plus R1. For R3, for R2, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 1, 1, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, and 0 minus 0 equal to 0. For R3 plus R1, minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3, and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have to do minus 3 is equal to 0. For this value is equal to 0, we should apply in R3. Now we consider R3. For the R3 plus 3 times R2, we get first two rows are similar. 0 minus 0 is 0, minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, 6 plus 9, 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. We find the echelon form of the matrix. So the rank of matrix is 3, as well as rank of augmented matrix is also 3. So the rank of matrix and augmented matrix are equal to 3. Then the system is consistent and have a unique solution. The system consists of unique solution, therefore system consists of unique solution, therefore the value of K1, K2, K3 are equal to 0. Therefore the given vectors are linearly independent.